Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In this video, I want to explain exactly what you should do if you forgot or don't have the passcode to your Apple Watch. I'm going to give you two very simple methods. One if you have your iPhone nearby, and another one if you don't. So let's get right into it. First, if you have your iPhone close by, open the official Watch app. Make sure you're on the My Watch tab, then tap on General. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Reset. Keep in mind that doing this will completely erase all data from your Apple Watch, so I highly recommend making sure you have a recent backup before starting. Second, if you don't have your iPhone with you, you can do it directly on the watch. Press and hold the side button until the power off screen slider appears, then release it. Next, press and hold down the digital crown, the rotating dial, until a prompt pops up asking you to reset the device. Just like the first method, this will erase everything, so having a backup is essential. With these two methods, you'll be able to easily regain access to your Apple Watch in no time. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and drop a like. Huge shout out to everyone, and see you in the next video.